This is the voice of not the Congress party. It's the entire voice of the entire democracy. All the India group and any other political party also can be aware of such type of fraud. Let there be any type. I think some of the BJP friends was telling that in some other constituency, Chamrajpet, Varna and all these types of issues are there. Well, let it be even in my constituency also. I don't mind. Action has to be taken. Who has done the fault, guilty and misused the political power or whatever the power they have misused. Either it may be bureaucracy or politician. Action has to be taken. The law has to be protected. The fairness of the constitution has to be happened. And election commission should be very fair. I was very happy to hear that Mr. Amul Kumar was telling me, after knowing all these things, they also have started their research team. I am so glad that they have started their research team. It is good. I'll come and meet him again with a lot of documents and evidences. For the first phase, we have asked them information to go into detail of every assembly segment which has happened like this. Then let us see.
BJP, sir, one thing again they said, the whole BJP team is saying it is a non-documental allegation against us. They can go to the election commission.
We are not worried about the BJP. We are not worried about the BJP. Let them tell anything, whatever they want. We are asking a court. We are asking a judge. We are asking a commission which they have an autonomous power. We are telling them this is what is going on in the middle. They may tell that your officers are there, your staff is there, all these things they may tell. Ultimately, the responsibility of the election commission is to look at this. When elections come, electoral rolls, everything is being prepared. It is not the government that doesn't do it. So I am telling you, even if any officer have done such type of mistake, you please take action and immediately separate the things.
Congress is taking all these allegations only with the records. They have to apologize to the election commission because Congress is not ready to go to take the vote. Rahul Gandhi is not ready to take the vote. That's what BJP
what
is
you
saying.
want. My voice is my vote. What I am speaking to you with a commitment and a vote. What vote you want? We have also taken hundreds of votes. We pledge to the people of this country. We have given the constitution. We have given freedom, we have given democracy, we have given national flag. We formed this election commission in the constitution. This is what the Congress party has done.
So when you are alleging the election commission, why BJP is reacting so aggressively? What do you smell, sir?
They are showing themselves they are the part of this whole dirty game.
Sir, give us just one minute. Rolling, sir.
We are joined with KPCC President and Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivakumar. Thank you so much for talking to us. Sir, India Today done a fact check on the claims of Rahul Gandhi. I went personally, I saw the house. It was 10 by 15 house. And there were 3 people, they didn't have voter ID. And still, there were around 80 people who have enrolled from that particular house from last 10 years. In an average, 8 people every single year have registered from the same house.
I would like to congratulate India Today for having taken up a drive on this, had a fact check, because you have to save democracy. You are also part of democracy. And the 4 pillars of democracy were legislature, judiciary, and executive, and politicians. We all are parliament. We all are the pillars of democracy. I hope that you have done a good job. I would like to congratulate you. But this is a fact. We have a lot of other information. We will feed them. Now we have just given him, our election commission, what are the things which he has to look up. Definitely, whatever research we have done, we will give more. We have asked all our cadres to just look at it. We know that elections can't be. We know that time has barred for going for an election petition. We know that will not help. But we want to separate the system and what is wrong in the system has to be informed to the people of this country.
So BLO also admitted to India Today stating that there were security, homemates and other people who have staying there, and within few months they used to go off. But they have also mentioned they have been shifted in the document, but still election commission has not taken up.
See, in your check, or reality check, you only are telling that in 10 by 10, 80 votes were there. I hope, I don't know how they were staying, what they are doing. I think the answer lies with you also.
Sir, Sir, many factors and many things are coming, many documents are coming. And other side, the election commission websites in Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka are closed. These allegations, how you see them, sir?
See, it is an open eye for the entire country. All the political parties, whichever party has to look at it. It is not the voice, it is not the problem of one political party. It is the entire opposition party or any ruling party also. I am telling you, be very cautious on this. We are fighting to save vote, to give justice to every voter of this country.
Sir, some facts are coming out. Do you think it's not just allegation?
It is a fact.
தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம், தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம், தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம். வாங்க.